Have you ever heard the expression, living within your means? Let's talk about it. First of all, let's recap what we've already learned. We have used our thoughts to create income. We are saving 25% out of every dollar made, savings, and not touched for 24 hours of making a purchase, allowing ourselves to shop and compare. See, also it's important that we invest 10% in ourselves to become a master at our creative thoughts. We are gathering the necessary information and tools in order to do so. Which leaves us with 65% of each dollar made. This is your means, or in other words, your cost of living. All our expenses should fit comfortably into this space. Food, shelter, clothes, and your necessities, same as the things that stimulate your mind, body, and soul. If you are not comfortable doing everything that you want and need from your 65% of your income, well, simply, you need to create more income or another stream of income. Cutting back is not the answer. You will only shortstop yourself in your way of living. Instead, add to your income. Increase your 65% and continue to enjoy your life as it was meant to be. Subscribe, like, hit the bell. Remember, 65% is what you should take care of all of your bills, wants, needs, the things that give you the qualities of life. If you're not satisfied with your quality of life, you must increase your income, so therefore you can increase your savings, you can increase the money that you're investing to yourself, as well as increase the finances you have available for your means of living. Thank you.